So with this problem, we have a series written in sigma notation. And what we want to do in this video is first write this in expanded form and then find the sum. So this Greek letter here, sigma, means sum. And what we do with this notation is we have this number here where n equals 2 is our starting number. Then this number on top, 5, is our finishing number. And what we do is we start with the starting number and proceed from 2 up to 5, plugging it into the formula, and then take the sum of all of those numbers. So it looks something like this. We start with 2 and we would plug in, here's our formula, our starting number. So we'll write our starting number is equal to 2. Our finishing number is equal to 5. So what that means is we're going to take 2, we're going to take 3, we're going to take 4, and we're going to take 5, and we're going to plug each of these numbers in one at a time into the formula, and then we're going to add all of those products together. So it looks something like this in expanded form. For 2, we would say the formula is 5 times n when 2 equals n. And then we would add to that 5 times when we plug in 3. And then we would add to that 5 times 4 when we plug in 4. And then add to that 5 times 5. And this is the expanded form of this notation. It's saying the sum from 2 to 5 when you plug it into this formula. And then we can go ahead and just take the sum from there. Well, this is equal to 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25, which is what you would see in a typical series. And then go ahead and simplify from there. So we've got 10 and 15, which is 25, another 25, which is 50, add to that 20, and we get the sum is equal to 70. And if we wanted to write it out, we could say the sum of the formula 5n from n equals 2 to n equals 5 is equal to 70.